and share and subscribe and like.
In this video, we will see another form of integration of irrational algebraic function. Here you can see that the denominator of this function is of the type ax plus b into under root of cx plus d. The process is very simple. Put such a type of integration, put substitution method, that is a cx plus d equal to t square. Then we find that this is equal to cx equal to t square minus d, or x equal to 1 divided by c into t square minus d, and c into dx equal to 2t into dt. Therefore the integration will be dx divided by ax plus b into under root of cx plus d. We are applying now substitution. Dx, value of dx is 2t divided by c into dt divided by here a into what is x is t square minus d divided by c plus b and let us take LCM now. So this is equal into we have substituted under root of cx plus d, and this gives me t. So this t and this t will get cancelled, and we have 2 into integration of 1 divided by c into dt uh, divided by a into t square minus d plus bc divided by c. Okay, this c and this c will be cancelled, and we have 2 divided by 2 into integration of this is dt dt divided by now let us take a common. If we take a common, a into we have t square minus d plus bc divided by a. Okay, so this is 2 divided by a into integration of dt divided by t square plus we take LCM, bc minus da divided by a, like this, and this is easily integrable. So it is converted into integration of 1 divided by x square plus or minus a square into dx. We can apply one of the formula to integrate such a type of integration. So what is the process? Remember that we have substituted the under root term cx plus d equal to t square, and then the this complicated integration is reduced to one of the standard formula of integration. Now we take an example. Suppose we want to integrate 1 divided by x minus 3 into under root of x plus 2 into dt. Look at this, we have to put this under root term. This is our substitution. So put x plus 2 equal to t square, right? Then we get dx equal to 2t into dt. Now from this find the value of x, and that will be t square minus 2. Then substitute this value in this integration. 1 divided by x minus 3 into under root of x plus 2 into dx equal to integration of 1 divided by x. What is my x? T square minus 2 minus 3 into under root of t square. Under root of t square will be t into dx 2t into dt. So this t will be cancelled, and we have 2 into integration of dt divided by this is a t square minus 5. Okay, and this is a standard formula, 1 divided by integration of x square minus a square equal to 1 divided by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a. Here this is a, what is a square? A square is equal to 5, and therefore a is equal to under root of 5. So we put here this is 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 into under root of 5 into log of x minus a, that is t minus under root of 5 divided by t plus under root of 5. 2 will be cancelled, and we have 1 divided by under root of 5 into log of. Now let us put the value of t. What is value of t? That is under root of x plus 2 minus under root of 5 divided by under root of x plus 2 plus under root of 5. So this is the solution of this problem. Integration, let us solve one more problem. Integration of 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 into under root of x plus 2 into dx. So observe the numerator, friends. We have small we make small adjustment now. 2x minus 2 minus 1, right, divided by x minus 1 into under root of x plus 2 into dx. If we take 2 common in the numerator from the first two terms, we have x minus 1 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into under root of x plus 2 into dx. If we separate the numerator, x minus 1 will be cancelled, and the first term will be 1 divided by under root of x plus 2 and minus integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 into under root of x plus 2 into dx. Okay, so integration of this term is very easy. This is equal to 2 into integration of, we can write it as a x plus 2 whole raised to minus 1 by 2 and minus I, suppose. So what is my I is equal to integration of 1 divided by x minus 1 into under root of x plus 2 into dx. Then what is the integration of this? This is 1 divided by this is 2 into integration of this is x plus 2 plus 1. So plus 1 will give 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 and minus I equal to this is 4 into under root of x plus 2 or x plus 2. Okay, minus I. Now let us integrate this I. To integrate I, we put under root term, that is x plus 2 equal to t square, then x equal to t square minus 2, therefore, and again what is dx equal to 2t into dt. So what will be I is equal to integration of 1 divided by x. What is x? T square minus 2 minus 1 into under root of t square t dx 2t into dt. dt cancelled, and we have 2 into integration of dt divided by t square minus 3 equal to 2 into 1 divided by, again 2 into under root of 3 into log of t minus under root of 3 divided by t plus under root of 3 equal to, this 2 will be cancelled, and we have 1 divided by under root of 3 into log of, what is t? T is under root of x plus 2, and minus under root of 3 divided by under root of x plus 2 plus under root of 3. This is a I integration. Hence the total integration of will be like this. You can see we write the answer of this integration as, what is the integration? 4 into under root of x plus 2 and minus I minus 1 divided by under root of 3 into log of under root of x plus 2 minus under root of 3 divided by under root of x plus 2 plus under root of 3. So this is answer of this integration.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.